Is everybody sleeping? Where you guys at? You guys awake? Hope you're awake. See some pretty solid setups today, so we'll see. See if we find something good. Good morning. Super excited for this mentorship to just start. We start on Monday, everybody. For the ones that are in here from the mentorship. All right, we are good. What time is it? 7:15. The thing that's annoying is I got another phone and I didn't put any of my social media stuff on it, so it's a pain when it's like I gotta get stuff from one phone to the other. So give me like 2 minutes. And then I'll go over the watch list with you guys. Okay. We are good. Let's go over this watch list real quick. So, what I'm going to be watching today, I mean, it's mainly gap fills that I'm interested in. So, if we can get above the 605.37, I'm going to look for a continuation and spy for the gap fill in a 606.8. It's not huge, but at least it's something that we could watch. We did end up bouncing out of this demand zone yesterday. As you can see, this is our demand zone. We held it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, had a nice little push up. But no other bounces that I'm really interested in. So that's it for SPY, QQQ. If we hold above, what is it, 523, I'm looking for the continuation for the gap fill because this is overnight price action. Where we got above the gap fill, it's just during the open, we never got above it. So if we hold above 523, ideally I'm looking for continuation back into 525.17, which is going to be pre-market high. But then if we get above there, nothing blocking us until 528.15. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Then keep a side eye on Palantir. See what we can get with that. Good morning. But real quick, everybody in the YouTube, as you guys saw, I do have that mentorship program going on. If you want to book a call and see if you're a good fit for the mentorship program, here's the link right here. We're going to be starting on Monday. So what is today? Thursday. So in 4 days, we're going to be starting. So if you want to book a call, see if you're good for the mentorship, use that link right there. Get that call booked today. I'm super excited for the mentorship program. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask about it too. One second. Cool. Yeah, Palantir looks good on the 1 hour. I actually like it a lot. Just depends if we get a break. Uh, 6 p.m. Eastern time. Monday, Wednesday, Friday will be classes, and then Sunday we do market prep and trade recaps. Got 10 minutes. I mean, NQ's got a gap as well. It's just I'm mainly watching QQQ and SPY today for the technicals. Yeah, so with the mentorship, what you're getting is first off, obviously the live classes 4 times a week. And then it's going to be about 5 to 6 weeks. They're going to be recorded if you can't make it, but then you're also going to get access to both of my books. You're going to get my ebooks. You're going to get my swing trading course. You're going to get one-to-one sessions. And then the entire time of the mentorship, you're going to get the live day trading as well, which I might actually extend longer than the mentorship program. I'll probably just keep sending the Zoom, to be honest with you. So pretty much like lifetime day trading with me. If you didn't get an email back, it's probably because you didn't qualify. I'm not just taking anybody into the mentorship. That's why we have the questions. Good morning. What's up, Jonathan? Bro, all you wanted was ramen. What do you actually want? Bro won the free lunch. He's like, I'll take ramen. You literally had to say 3 words and you won free lunch. Does my mic sound okay on Zoom? Or is it picking up on background noise? Perry's is fire. That's the spot to go on Friday. Yeah, and again, if you want to book the call, it's right there. You can talk to me and my team. We start Monday. You're from Maryland, aren't you, Jonathan? Somewhere over there. Good old MD. Boston. All right, I'll tell you what. If I ever go to a Celtics game, I'll take you to lunch then. Nah, screw the Nuggets. Like Baltimore. And then lived in Pennsylvania for a year. Hated it. Now I'm in Denver. Let's get the FFF account. Take on FOMC yesterday. I mean, really no bias. Well, I still had the Tesla. I didn't even have to pay for gas. It was just there's nothing there. Like literally nothing to do in Pennsylvania. Plus your income tax is lower, so I saved a shit ton of money. It's just a school and property tax that's stupid. I think I was paying like 9.5K a year for school and property. So you get a cheaper house. Like my house, if it was in Maryland, would have been like 900K probably, maybe more. But yeah, you get a big house for cheap, and you still have that school and property tax, which is like super stupid. But comes at a cost of having nothing to do. It was like Hanover area. It was right over the Maryland line. That's why when anybody asks where do you live, I just said Maryland. Because literally like 5 minutes over the line. All right, 3 minutes. Let's lock in. Oh, anyways, FOMC. No bias. They didn't cut rates. They kept them the same. It looks like we're gonna keep them the same until at least July, is what I was seeing. Maybe September. Obviously, if anything changes in between now and then we'll be able to see. But all you gotta do, Fed rate hike futures, look at the percentages. Wherever the higher the percent is, that's what the Fed's gonna do. I'm gonna go get water real quick. Hold on. Okay. Let's get it, squad. Again, I mainly want to focus on this QQQ today with that daily gap fill. We also have Apple earnings today. That's going to be a big one. Ding, ding, ding. Remember, stay patient. A plus setups only. Oh, we got end of month flows tomorrow as well. Want to see what happens at 523. Might have fell just short of the level. We'll see. Either a bounce as close to 523 as possible. Would have preferred to see if we came down and hit it, made a support, or just an uptrend entry. Maybe like an ABCD, fibs, whatever. But I'm bullish on QQQ until we lose that 523. If we lose it, then we'll have to reevaluate. Thank you for becoming a channel member. $5.23. Let's see. All right, we're at it. Let's see if we can hold it. Okay, so we're losing it so far. Actually, I'm gonna watch like as low as 522.46. If we fall below there, that's when my upside bias is probably gonna change. And then we'll reevaluate. So let's see what happens right here. Let's see how the 5-minute candle closes. I mean, we're bouncing it. I just didn't enter. Damn, looks like I probably should have. But yeah, no entry from me. We'll see. Would like to see if the 5-minute can get back up above and reclaim that 523. Yesterday's close was definitely it, 522.46. It's alright though. Look for another setup. Alright, so we're reclaiming 523. If we can get a pullback, because this 5-minute candle is closing pretty strong. If we can get a pullback towards 523, I'm willing to get long with a stop right below 523. Spy's ripping. I didn't even see that. See, Spy's ripping, Meta's ripping. Actually, let's see if we get a pullback towards this 523.50 on QQQ. VWAP 8 EMA. This area right here. If we can pull back, make this area support, I'd be willing to look for calls. Come on. Let's see if we have news today. 10. Okay, right here is where I'm watching. See if we can hold it. All right, I gave these a go. I'm in. Give these a go. Unless we close below VWAP, then I'm going to have to stop out. Might actually be willing to add at this 523. Actually, yes. I'm going to add. I'll stop below 523. Since that's the gap entry. Okay. Keep it going. We're in profit. Come on. Keep it going. Give me high a day. Come on. Keep it going. Push it. Push it. Come on. Come on. That second ad was nasty. We just got to clear this 524. Come on, push a little bit more. There we go. I'm taking a trim up here, everybody. Trim up here. There we go. New high day. I'm taking another trim. That's how we fucking do it, baby. Let's see if we get more out of this. Stop loss break even. Let's see if we can ride this for the gap fill. Stop loss break even. See if we can ride this for the gap fill. I actually ended up taking one NQ as well. I got filled at 21635. I'm just letting this mofo run. But it's up 60 points. There we go, everybody. That's how we do it. Did you guys take this trade? Need a W if you guys caught this trade with me. Give me a W if you call it QQQ calls or NQ longs. I better see everybody. I was very, very clear on that trade. Damn, we're nuking. Let's go. All right, fine. Fine. We're at pre-market highs. I'm going to take one more tiny trim up here. One more tiny trim on these calls. I'll actually go ahead and close my NQ longs as well. One more tiny trim. Let's leave some contracts running. See if we get the gap fill. Massive trade. Massive trade. If you guys are in the Discord channel, go add a little reaction as well. Holy shit. We're going. We might hit 100% on these. We're close. Let's keep our stops and profits, everybody. Stops and profits, you should be down to a baby position to let this run for gap fill. And see, this is exactly why you guys should be in the mentorship. So you learn how I'm finding these exact levels. Damn, did I catch 100 points on NQ? Pretty damn close, actually. Nice. Let's get this gap fill. 528.15 is the gap fill. Everybody in the YouTube, if you guys are interested in the mentorship, there's a link right there. I pinned it up. If you want to book a call with me and my team, see if you're a good fit, click that link right there. Book that call today. We start on Monday. I want 100% out of this trade, though. If we get 100%, I'm going to go oil up, run around downtown Denver. So if you live over here, come see me. I'll be the guy oiled up running around. That's how we do it. We got a good ass average too. So I'm just letting this thing run. Unless obviously it hits a stop at break even. Or not break even, sorry, in profits. But I hope it doesn't. I hope it just goes for the gap fill. There could be potentially another setup that I'd be willing to take on NQ longs. Just depends on this 5-minute candle close. That was a dope ass trade. Told you guys, we've been hitting them base hits pretty consistent this month. But when those big trades come, they're gonna come. And sure enough, we got that home run today. Why my computer freeze? There we go. Give me more. Let's get a new high day out of this. All right, so this is a pullback that I was looking for. We could potentially get another entry. We do have news in 2 minutes, though. That trade was dope, though. That's got me hyped up. Okay. I'm actually gonna go ahead and close the runners right here, just because we're getting news in 2 minutes. I don't want it to like blow past the stop loss. Beautiful trade, but there is a potential re-entry. Only issue is we have news. So I'm all out of the rest. Let's see what happens from this news, and we might potentially get another trade. I don't know yet. I don't see why they wouldn't fill the gap. That's how we do it. That's why you guys better be joining up in these Zooms. All right, so it looks like we might be taking that out. Draw the what? There we go. Fold that 618. See what happens with news in 1 minute. Got Bitcoin breaking out too. Has a very nice daily trend line that it's breaking. Well, rest in peace, QQQ. Honestly, though, if we do reclaim this again, I am interested in the longs. Potentially be willing to get back a little bit of profit. Yeah, nice 20-minute workday though. Gotta see how we close on the 5-minute. 2 minutes not confirming. I'm gonna go off on a limb and say that this setup is invalid. So no trade here. Let's see what else we get. Up 3K. Let's go, Jonathan. Let's go. Why are we dumping? Massive, massive trade. I might actually, I don't know. I might go to the gym soon. I'll give it till 8:30. If we see anything by 8:30, obviously we'll take it. But if I see nothing, I'm gonna call it a day. Faux show. That new Central C album's fire. I don't know if anybody be listening to it, but 10 out of 10. Especially that song that was just playing. I got upper body today. Let's go, Cody. Chest, shoulders, and back. Well, if you're going to do back and shoulders, you might as well do chest too. They're down 5.5%. That's true, then that's why. Um, no, I just do upper lower splits personally. I can't even do 315. I think my back's like 285. I mean, I'll try 315. I'll blow my shoulder out. Screw it. Oh, they are down 5.5%. I see, I see. At least Bitcoin's going up. All right. Let's take a look at SPY. See what we got going on. Yeah, I'm actually kind of surprised that they didn't go and fill the gaps because SPY got above that 605.37 level, which was the gap entry, but it failed it. So probably everybody who was trying to get long above that stopped out. And that's why we saw that dump. I mean, Meta doesn't look too bad either, to be honest with you. All right. I mean, we're not even really trading at any levels now. Patiently wait and see. I would say a fib for a reject, but I don't know how I feel about it. I gotta answer this phone call real quick, but I'm gonna be here. If I see anything, I'll unmute real quick, but give me a few minutes. All right, I'm back. We are back. Honestly, meta doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna keep an eye on that. You guys seeing anything else? Or is everybody kind of just chilling and vibing for the day? Waiting. Fair enough. Let's see. I mean, probably 60, 75 you could watch. Um, but we're not near any of my key levels. I don't know where this came from. But yeah, not much that I see. Nice, Don. Seems like a solid day. Again, I'm gonna give this like 10 more minutes. Let's see if we see anything. And again, everybody in the YouTube, if you guys are wanting to learn directly from me, learn my entire strategy, A to Z, get access to live trading, probably for forever, to be honest with you. So, live trading, 4 classes a week, access to my swing trading course, access to all my books, one-to-one sessions if I didn't already say that, so much more. Make sure you book a call with me and my team. We start the mentorship on Monday. So, what is that? 4 days. 4 days from now, we start. So, make sure you guys book that call. It takes like 2 minutes to do so. And yeah, I'm excited to teach you guys. Of course, Amando. I'll tell you what, it's not cheap. So if you're only willing to pay like $500 or $1,000, don't even book the call because it's just gonna waste our time. Just gonna keep it real. Five more minutes, see if we see anything. I don't even see anything. If I were to watch anything, and again, this isn't even my favorite, but it would probably be a fib from this high day to low day, and then potentially a reject here or here. But we're just in an uptrend too, so it's like, do we really even want to try to reject it or what? I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm going to eat some breakfast and then go to the gym. So let's crush it again tomorrow, final day of the month, and it's on a Friday. So let's see what we can find. Everybody take it easy. Hopefully you guys caught those QQQ calls, and we'll talk tomorrow. Peace.